I need more water. Lots more water. And that's exactly what your lawn would say to you if it could speak. July and August are the hardest months on your lawn, but there's a solution. A product called Revive, which is actually a Colorado-owned company. With Revive, it will actually extend your watering and repair those dry spots in your lawn. After we apply Revive, if you listen really closely, you can hear your lawn say, "Thank you! Thank you so much! I love you!" You guys are welcome. So if you're interested in a Revive treatment, just send us a text message. And remember, green lawns make you smile.